Hey, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my curl box, but it's the curl kit. So I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing of this video and showing you guys all the products that I received in this box. If you want to see me unboxing the curl kit and showing you some of the great products inside of the box, then keep watching. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and also hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. See you guys in the video. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the curl kit. It is a subscription box, and within the box you receive full-size products. Typically you'll get between 4 and 5 full-size products per month. It's about $25 per month for the subscription, and they'll send it out once a month. You can cancel it at any time. And I signed up for it, and I actually was able to get my box for $12.50 because they were running a special, I think for 4th of July or some other holiday. They're frequently running different specials for holidays, so I would say that's a good time to sign up. But I will put all the information about the curl kit down in the description box so you guys can check it out. So I'm going to show you what is in the box for September. Nice little curl kit logo on there and some tissue paper. Comes with a Curl Life, looks like a mini magazine that it comes with here. And on the inside they've got an editor's note, and they just talk about different things that relate to hair. With this, I'll show you guys what products I got. I got the Ori Naturals Body Scrub infused with green tea, aloe vera, and calendula. And this is a full-size product. I've never used this or heard of this brand before, but that's that. 4 ounces. Eden Body Works Moisture Shampoo and Coconut Shea. And I have never used this particular product before, but I have used Eden Body Works products. I believe I used the jojoba oil shampoo, and I really like that a lot, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this because it's paraben free and sulfate free, and they make really good products for natural hair. So that's that, and this is the full size. This is 8 ounces. Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner for dehydrated hair. I've used this in the past as well, and this is really great, and it's also full size. It's 8.45 fluid ounces. I really like this leave-in conditioner. I haven't used it in a while, but I've used it in the past, and it moisturized my curls really well. With Alakay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. And I love this stuff. Love, love, love. It's like one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It smells like, I don't know, like heaven. It smells really, really good. It has like a sweet smell, and it really like hydrates your curls really well. So I was really excited to see this inside of my box. That's everything in the box. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment box. Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoy videos where I'm unboxing new products, let me know. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. And thanks for sticking around for the whole video. See you guys in the next one. Smooches.